Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel.
We're ready for it. We're ready for it. We're ready for it.
So today's video is gonna be a bit different. Today's video just came to mind and I was like, ooh, let me just do it because I have nothing to do. Quarantine vibes, so we're gonna do it. Excuse the way that I look. Just excuse the way that I look. 2018 is the year I graduated high school, so I ordered this dress online, and when I got it, it was nothing like shown on the websites. But yeah, I'm gonna be transforming it into something nice. Trying. My mom's a seamstress, so hopefully her talent was passed on to me. I've never done this before, so hopefully it turns out good. I have scissors, elastic, pins and needles, and thread. I think that's all I need. So yeah, hopefully this turns out good. If not, then it's okay. At least I tried. hopefully you guys liked it. At the beginning I forgot to record, so unfortunately some clips were missing, but hopefully you guys got the gist of what I was doing. And for my first time I give myself a 7 out of 10. I think I did okay. It's not horrible, it's alright, but I think I did really good for my first time. So let me know in the comments how you guys think I did. Let me know any ideas you guys have. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications to be notified whenever I post content. And with that being said, your girl Vibrations Via is out.